Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have something different. I'm enjoying the things that are a little out of the ordinary, not just diamond painting. I was contacted by this company, and okay, they are KYGMU.com. You probably saw that already on the thumbnail. All right, they contacted me and asked if I wanted to get a couple things to show you, and I said absolutely because these are pretty cool. So let's show you what I got. All right. They come in a bag like that, and then they each came in their own bag. I have two items to show you. All right, let me show you this one first. I like how they come in the bag. So these are called tapestries. So a tapestry, you could hang on your wall, all right? They're also, they talk about how they could be oh, look at it, comes with all of the information on it right there. How they could be a tablecloth. You could use them for different things. I have some ideas for what I would like to do with these. So first of all, let me tell you, look at how they're all nicely serged on the edges. That's nice, keep it all nice and neat. They're very silky feeling, so it's a nice material. I like that. Ooh, they're nice and silky. All right, it is 100, I believe, 100 by 75, I think, is the measurement of it. So it's pretty large. Let me show you. We're not going to get the whole thing in probably, but all right, here we go. Here's the first one I got. And it's just a wintry, snowman, winter kind of thing. So there's part of it. Like I said, the whole thing will not fit. And then we come over here to the house, the trees, the fence. Santa's leaving. This one I got just because it was wintertime when I got it, and it was near Christmas when I ordered, and I thought it would be super cute. So that's the size of it. I mean, there you go. You can kind of get a general gist of how big it is there, right? And they're super nice. So you could just hang this on your wall. You could put it on a table to help cover a table. Whatever you would like to do with it. So I would use it as a decoration at Christmas time. Probably if I'm setting a table, put it on the table. It's not a full tablecloth, but you could put like a plain, like maybe red tablecloth and put this on the center of it, over the middle, which is what I did at Christmas. We have these long tables in our basement, and we got some of the really long tablecloths. I got a really long red one, and I put a big long red one. And then we had a smaller one, they had poinsettias, and that went in the middle. So just a little decorative feature. Pretty cool though, right? If you want to hang it on your wall, you tack it on your wall. If you wanted to put it up in a window, put it up in a window. What else could you do with it? Let me know what you think. What else would you do with it? What are some other ideas that you could come up with? The possibilities are endless, really, right? Possibilities are endless. But they're super nice. I like the material. The colors are vibrant. I like them a lot. All right, let me show you the other one. And I had an idea for this, and I'm not gonna go into a whole lot on this one because some of you in June at the retreat might see this one. Again, the serged edges are really nicely finished. I like that about them. And the material is so soft. It's really soft. All right, this one is just a beautiful, tropical, okay, we got like a stone archway here, roses across the top, and then there's just the water, the ocean, the beach, birds. Over here we have a little outcropping of rocks, palm tree. Look, we have daisies at the bottom, a shell, right? And we have a macaw sitting on the palm tree. There's that archway again. So it's like looking through an arch out at the water, how pretty it is. Very, very tropical, right? Yeah, I have some ideas for this one because our retreat in June is tropical. So we might have a use for this in our retreat, all right? But they're super nice. Let me know what else you might use them for. I mean, I think that would be great to cover either a small table or, like I said, put it on a larger table as like in the center with another larger tablecloth underneath it. just hang it on your wall. I could hang that right over there on my wall, right? They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Each of these were $8.67. So a decent price as well, right? Good price, good material. They had just probably hundreds and hundreds of different images. So that's what I got, you guys. Let me know what you think you could use them for. They're pretty cool. They're actually really cool. All right. Thank you to the company, KYGMW, for thinking of me and letting me pick out a couple things to show everybody. They're pretty neat. All right. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying some of the non-diamond painting stuff. All right? Okay. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.